Here are 5 things that might help you with weight loss. They've helped me, I can tell you, on my weight loss journey because this is day 51 and I've lost 20 pounds. I'm pretty happy about that. All right, let's get right into it. Number 1, these are things that I do after a meal, right? After I eat that prevent me from like eating some more, okay? So number 1, I brush my teeth. If I take the time to go ahead and use the mouth rinse and brush my teeth and floss in between my teeth and then brush my teeth again, that's a significant enough amount of time that I don't want to undo the work right away. So instead of me going back and snacking again or picking on something else or maybe trying to pick up something sweet, I got sweet tasting toothpaste. And it tells my body, it tells my brain, like, it's time to stop eating. We're in like non-eating mode. So I'm conditioning my brain that after I eat, I brush my teeth, I don't eat for a while. So that's what this is all about for me. Because Pavlov's dog, right? I'm Pavlov and I am the dog as well, right? All right, number 2, if you don't have access to your toothbrush, you're not at home, maybe you're out, you're having dinner, have a coffee or hot tea or something in that nature, because coffee has been known to be an appetite suppressant. Even decaffeinated coffee has been known to be an appetite suppressant. And so if you want something with caffeine, you could have some oolong tea. Wonderful stuff. I highly recommend. I'm not a big caffeine person, so I take that sparingly. But there are lots of great other benefits that you could see on other channels about tea, that sort of thing. And a lot of the stuff that I drink, because I don't do caffeine very much, is herbal tea. And those things can like substitute for dessert. So if you say you have like right now I have a cranberry pomegranate tea. It's not tea. It's just herbal fruits, flavors, and it's really good. And it takes the, substitutes the place of chocolate or dessert after my meal. Okay, so that was number 2. Okay, so number 3, have a two-handed hobby. Okay, what do I mean by that? What I mean is, like, okay, you eat in the kitchen, then you go to like your computer, like your office or your living room, wherever you have your computer set up, and you're gonna play a video game. Well, what's the classic like image of a video game player? It's somebody just like slumped down like this, has a belly out to here, eating chips, drinking soda, right? No. All right. So if there's a game that you're playing on your computer that you don't need both hands for, consider one that you need both hands for. I remember way back in the day playing Civilization and not having left that chair. I needed both hands to like manipulate like I didn't need them, but the way I was playing it, I used both hands in order to manipulate the menus and such. I didn't have time to eat anything, drink anything. I didn't even realize that I hadn't got up out of the chair for 6 hours. So that kind of thing. Maybe like ones where like piloting, or like where your hand's on a wheel or something like that, if you're playing with a gamepad. And of course, use your common sense. Take breaks and walk around the room every hour or so for like 20 minutes or 10 minutes or whatever it takes. But that's one idea. Also, like, I don't do this. My wife likes to do this, but like crocheting, quilling, all kinds of things like that like require your hands, right? So that you can't just say like, well, there goes my dishwasher. Okay, number 4, take a nap. All right, if possible. Obviously, if you're at work, eat lunch, you can't take a nap. But like if you're at home, if it's a Saturday, whatever, and you eat, usually this happens to me anyway. We'll go out for sushi on Saturdays. That's our thing. And for some reason, that rice, if I have enough of it, like it expands my belly and I just want to take a nap. And that prevents me from eating more. It's like, can't eat while you're sleeping, right? All right, and number 5, obvious one, but I'm going to throw it in there anywhere. Exercise. I know you don't want to exercise on a full stomach, but the way I've been eating lately, I don't have a full stomach. I've been stopping before I've had that bloated feeling. And so go do like a couple pull-ups, walk around the neighborhood at a brisk pace, whatever it happens to be. It doesn't have to be strenuous, but it can be something. I actually have a walking pad that's like in front of my TV set. So I watch an episode of like, I don't know, Shogun's on right now. And I'll just walk while I'm watching it. So can't really eat and exercise at the same time. It's pretty inconvenient. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. That was 5 things that you can do after a meal to prevent you from eating more. Tell me about your weight loss journey down below, and smash like for me because that helps me, and I'll make more of these videos if you are interested in them. If you're not, I'll go back to making other videos. See you on the next one. Take care.